Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel Legends Spider-Man webs. We'll dive into creating awesome, custom web effects for your action figures. You'll learn about the simple materials required and the straightforward process to bring these iconic accessories to life. Get ready to elevate your display with dynamic, posable webs that truly capture the essence of your favorite web slinger. It's a fun and rewarding project for any collector. To begin, you'll need just a few key items. First, grab some clear fishing line. A thickness of about 0.5 millimeters works perfectly for scale. Next, you'll want a good quality white craft glue or a flexible clear adhesive that dries transparent. Finally, make sure you have a small, sharp pair of scissors and a ruler on hand for accurate measurements. These simple tools are all you need to get started. Now, let's craft those webs. Start by cutting your fishing line into various lengths, ranging from about 3 inches to 8 inches. This variety will give your display a more natural, dynamic look. Take one end of each cut line and apply a tiny dot of your chosen glue. Carefully attach this glued end directly to the web shooter on your Marvel Legends Spider-Man figure. Hold it gently for a few seconds to ensure it adheres. Once all your webs are attached, it's crucial to let the glue dry completely. Give it at least 2 hours, or even longer, to ensure a strong bond. After drying, you can gently bend and shape the fishing line to create incredible, dynamic poses, making it look like Spider-Man is actively swinging or fighting. Remember to store any extra webs in a small, separate container to keep them from tangling for future use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.